explore using the foam roller to increase mobility in your hamstrings and calf muscles. One way you can do that is similar to how we did other muscles, is to put pressure on top of the roller. So if you're doing your hamstrings, you would come here, support from behind, and roll. You could certainly do both at one time. If you have a longer roller, I prefer one at a time because then I can really focus on what's going on in that side versus both sides at the same time. You could find a way to cross fiber by just taking the roller across the hamstring, and a smaller roller would probably work better for this, but I'm kind of using the edge of the roller to cross fiber in a tense area of my hamstring. Calf muscles, similar. You would just lift your body and roll the calf all the way down and all the way up. And this will create some deep pressure to the calf muscle. This is a nice time to explore what parts of your calf are more tense. For example, the outer part of my calf is more intense, so if I roll my foot out, I feel a lot more sensation. That's where I want to work. I want to work where there is that increased sensory reaction to that pressure, because that's where the holding patterns are. You could point and flex your ankle, and that will create that pin and stretch effect. An alternative to the hamstrings and glutes like this is to sit on your roller. If you have a really big roller and you're a smaller person, it doesn't work quite as well. But if you have the right size roller, you can literally sit on the roller and progressively put pressure down your hamstrings and your calves. Just be mindful that this is not one you want to maintain the pressure for a long period because it's quite intense. You want to just do more of a roll and release, a roll